Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are facing issue related with the Bluetooth on your laptop and you are getting this kind of error, could not connect. In this video, we are going to fix this issue. So first cut this error window, cut this window as well. So first you have to run the troubleshooter, Bluetooth troubleshooter. So click on the Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Then click on this update and security option. Now on the left side, click on the troubleshoot option. Now on the right side, click on additional troubleshooters. Now here you will see the option of Bluetooth. Click on it. And here is the option we need, run the troubleshooter. Click on it. So this will try to identify and fix the issue related with the Bluetooth. You have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And here you can see you will get the fix. Apply this fix. So click on this option. So this will fix the error related with the Bluetooth, and you can see both the issues are fixed. So this is your step 1, run the troubleshooter. Now move on to our next step, check Bluetooth services. So for this, click on Windows icon and type service. Here you will see the option of services. Click on it. So these are the Windows services I have in my system. Now you have to search for a service called a Bluetooth support. This is the service we need, a Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, then click on properties. Now one important thing, in the startup type, make sure this will be automatic. Okay. If there is something else like disabled, change it to automatic. Then click on apply. After that, stop this service. Click on stop. Click on yes. Now again, start this service. So this will restart Bluetooth support service. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. After that, restart your laptop and check. Now one more important thing you can do. Click on Windows icon and type Bluetooth. Here you will see the option of Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on it. Now on the right side, you will see this option, more Bluetooth options. Click on it. And now here are the 3 options you can check. First, allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. You can use this option to discover the Bluetooth. Okay. And you can also tick this option, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So this will show your Bluetooth in this taskbar. Okay. So these are the steps you can apply to fix Bluetooth issue on Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.